When you want to use the shell variables inside the awk, you need to use one option called -v. So, but before doing that, let's define some shell variables like var1 equal to say 20, var2 equal to 30. Okay, and now let's use this variable inside the awk command. So we want to multiply the first column. This is the first column, right? Where is it? Okay, this is the first column. We want to multiply it by the variable 1, and we want to multiply the second column with the variable 2. Okay, so how can you do that? You if you just use the variable 1 inside the awk statement, okay, or just like how you do that. Okay, that's how you define your variables in Bash, right? So if you do that and enter, then it doesn't understand what that is, or just remove this value. Still, it's waiting. Yeah, so give any input, 10, 20. Okay, it doesn't know what that. Hmm? This is not going to work actually, because this is I want to show some error actually. So, but you can define the value, the user value, uh, if you want to define the variable 1 to be the shell variable 1, okay, and variable 2 to be the shell variable 2, right? And then you don't even need to add the $sign before that. Okay, you need to, let's run it again and give the dcg2. Okay, so it's just printing this values, variable 1 and variable 2. Now it is able to read it. So you can use this value and multiply the first column of the file and say second column, so you have the output, right? So in this way you can use the shell variables inside the awk command. Okay.